A heartfelt gesture. Understanding the moment of kindness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we have a special topic that not only enriches our vocabulary but also our hearts. We're exploring the phrase, moment of kindness. It's a simple expression, yet it carries profound meaning and significance in our daily interactions. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the essence of these powerful words. The phrase, moment of kindness, is made up of two key components, moment and kindness. A moment refers to a very short period of time, often instant and fleeting. On the other hand, kindness is the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate towards others. When we combine these words, we get a phrase that signifies a brief instance where someone shows care, compassion, or generosity towards another. It's these moments, no matter how small, that can have a lasting impact on someone's day or even life. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Holding the door open for someone who has their hands full, sharing an umbrella with a stranger during a sudden downpour, giving up your seat on a bus or train for someone in need, sending a supportive message to a friend going through a tough time. Each of these actions represents a moment of kindness because they involve a spontaneous act of goodwill towards another person, without expecting anything in return. You might wonder, why are these moments so important? Well, a moment of kindness can have a ripple effect. It not only brings joy and relief to the recipient but also fosters a sense of community and connection among people. These moments remind us of the goodness in the world and encourage us to be better individuals. They show that even the smallest act of kindness can make a significant difference in someone's life. Creating a moment of kindness doesn't require grand gestures. It's about being attentive and responsive to the needs of those around us. Here are some tips. Be present and observant in your surroundings. Notice if someone could use a helping hand. Offer help without being asked. Sometimes, people hesitate to ask for assistance. Smile and offer kind words. Sometimes, a simple, "How are you?" can brighten someone's day. Be patient and understanding, especially in challenging situations. In wrapping up, we hope this video inspires you to create and cherish moments of kindness in your daily life. These moments are the threads that weave the fabric of our community, making the world a warmer, more welcoming place for all of us. Let's spread kindness like confetti and watch as it transforms the world around us. Thank you for watching, and remember, every act of kindness, no matter how small, is never wasted. See you in the next video.